Hi there, welcome to Lime Grove, home to the pre-degree students studying here at UAL from 2024. Today we'll be taking you on a guided tour through some of the spaces you can use while you're studying here. We'll start with the lounge behind me.
This is the student lounge, a great place to work, hang out, and relax. There's a bunch of tables here, so if you need to work on assignments, there's open spaces here available. There's a printer in the back, so if you need to do any last-minute printing, you can do that here as well. There's also a bunch of chairs, beanbags, and awesome couches where you're able to come hang out and relax. I even seen some people take some naps here. Overall, this is a great place for you to spend your break time. There's also a kitchen next door, so if you have any food you brought that needs reheating, you can do that over there. And there's also other printing facilities nearby.
So this is the canteen where you can grab some snacks, lunch, or a coffee throughout the day, and they have some great options from hot food, salads, and sandwiches. The canteen is open during the term time, so it's good to have somewhere close by to grab something to eat. And it's a great spot to set up your study session or to hang out with your friends.
This is our lecture theater. If you're studying a pre-degree course, you'll likely use this room for lectures, group projects, presentations, social events, workshops, and even live drawing. The IT Open Access Room is where you can use computers for research, assignments, and online work. You have access to creative software such as Adobe Creative Cloud. You can access these on any computer across the university.
This is the courtyard. This is a nice place to hang out and get some fresh air between classes. It's a nice place to take some time out of your day to relax underneath our heritage-listed mulberry tree. It's especially nice to hang out here in the summer months where you can absorb some sun.
Finally, we are here at the arts shop. This is where you can buy all the supplies that you'll need for your course, which is sketchbooks, pens, pencils, and specialist papers for drawing and printing.
That concludes our tour of UAL Lime Grove. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you guys next year. Bye!